And this is Pro Tinker, the Tinker of Toys. And I've got new items coming in every week. I'm buying toys. I just got back from Florida, and I went to this guy's warehouse, just found so much cool stuff, and I'm going to be posting it on my eBay site. It's called Pro Tinker. So there's two ways to buy from me. Now, you can buy directly from YouTube by then emailing me, and I send you an invoice by PayPal. That's one simple way. Or you can go to eBay. Pro Tinker is my store. Pro Tinker will be in the notes. Pro Tinker's my store. It lists all 500 items that I have, and you can click and buy like that if you want to do it more safely. It's up to you. We're very easy to do it, okay? And if you want to call me, 877-729-2099, and you want to have an hour conversation with me, normally 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Just leave a message if I don't answer it. I'm a one-man show right now. I expect to be hiring about 700 people. No, just kidding, I'm not. Now I just got in the S-Series Firefox gliders. These are sweet. Boy toy! Screams boy toy! I'm going to open it right here. I'm not going to put the decals on it because I got to resell it. Now I might put the decals on it. Alright, so these are really sweet gliders. They're made of this kind of flexible... see, it's kind of a flexible styrofoam. Easy to put together. Look at this. Okay? Check this out. Okay? Now, this is the S series. Okay? They had the Firefox series, but this is the Firefox toy. This is their S series gliders. There's 4 of them. You get the Storm, the Tornado, the Hurricane, or the Twister. Okay? 4. And the retails, I have them on eBay as 2-packs. Like you can get like the Storm and the Twister together. I think it's like $12 or no, I think it's 20 some dollars. Or you could just get one airplane for I think I've got them. Let's see here. What are my price on my gliders going to be? Yeah, $12. You know, one glider, $12, 22. I think I've got it. I don't know what I have it on eBay for right now, Pro Tinker. But I just want to show you what these gliders are. And they come with these cool decals. Okay. I don't want to put these on because if I sold this, the customer would want to put them on. Okay. But they're a nice set of decals you can put on the wings. I mean, these things go a long time. So here, watch. I'm going to go right at the camera here. Give me that. Quick. Fly it back to me. Oh, look at that. This is a fun toy. And it's easy if you're done playing with it and you want to pack it away and you're going to travel somewhere, pull the wings off, pop it back in the box, and you're ready to go. Now, they have more, too. They have here, listen to this. They have the Freedom Glider, which is huge. And then they have the 4-foot Bolt. This baby is mammoth. 4 feet. Go check my YouTube or my eBay. I'm going to be doing a YouTube on that one later this week. 4-foot wingspan. Glider. Awesome. Firefox. Air gliders. You'll love them. Easy to put together. Okay. Put the decals on it. Here, you know what we'll do just for the fun of it? We'll put one decal on. So when I send this to a customer, they'll go, oh, the decal's already on it. Somebody must have put one of these on. They stick. Look at this. They stick really cool. They just paste right on there. Isn't that sweet? Look at that. Get that all decaled up. The Twister. This is the Twister. Okay, my favorite is the Tornado or the Storm because it's got a flat canard like on the back. These are really awesome. A new item here on Pro Tinker. Got more items coming every week. I'm going to be your source for toys for boys. If you're a mom and you don't know what to buy your boy for a toy, call me. I'll tell you what to buy. Even if I don't have it and you don't know what to get him, I'll tell you what to get him. I'll tell you. I'll tell you what to get him for Christmas or any time. You want to have fun. Period. S-Series Firefox toys. This is another video, okay, of Pro Tinker of Toys. Okay, and we're all going to be adding new items all the time. Like I said, earlier in the video, I just got back from Florida. I went through this guy's warehouse. Oh my gosh. I've got some 4-foot RC cars coming in. 4-foot RC cars. And wait till you see my assortment of tanks, plastic tanks. Great for boys. And then we're going to do a video on my Robo Tinker or my Robo Tinker or Robo Gear. It's little miniatures you can build and make armies with. Great for boys. Great for 10-year-olds. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget, S-Series free flight gliders. Go to Pro Tinker on eBay. That's why you're watching this video. Get on your phone. Pro Tinker eBay. Look at my items. Scroll down to Firefox gliders. See what I got listed. I got like 9 items. 2 packs. Great deals right now. On sale. Do it now.